The members of the brass sextet are trombone, Darrell Roundtree; French horn, Carol Bellamy; trumpet and cornet, Gary Fulton and Sharon Cummings; bass, Robert Murphy; baritone, Donnie Bolton. The group played together their sophomore, junior, and senior years of high school. They played Class 1 music for solo and ensemble contests and made Division I ratings on that music all 3 years. Gene Bittner, a fellow Wildcat Band member, friend, and also a 1961 graduate of Littlefield High School, made all the recordings. Gene recorded performances of the Wildcat Band and the a cappella choir. The brass sextet and choir were recorded at the December 1960 Christmas Assembly for Littlefield High School. The original recordings were made on a reel-to-reel tape recorder. He later transferred them to cassette tape and then to compact discs as years went by and technology advanced. Hey, the brass sextet, these cats were good. Gene's efforts to preserve the music so it could be shared with our grandchildren, absolutely priceless. This is Donnie Bolton, and it is 2004, 44 years after the performance. Thanks a million, Gene.